Hi everybody, it's Jen and I have an exciting announcement to make. GlassboardStudio.com contacted me and asked me if I would be willing to share one of their craft mats with you guys, and they gave me a discount for you. So this is a true white glass craft mat. So before I start, this is what you guys typically see, and this is a piece of poster board. It's a decorative poster board, and I change it out every once in a while, but it gets curvy and misshapen when I constantly spill water on it or ink on it or paint. So the reason why I don't put a regular craft mat down is because I have stained and ruined all of my craft mats, kind of like this one, where you see all the glue and everything on it. So if you're like me and you're a messy crafter, but you still want things to look good, you should try this craft mat. So they have different sizes. I got the 18 by 24. And I will tell you a little bit about this craft mat because it's pretty unique. So 18 by 24 is the biggest size you can get, and I do have a discount code. I'll just put that here now so that I don't forget to give it to you, and it'll be down in the description along with all of the links to the product. So my discount code is POSH20, POSH20, and it'll give you 20% off this craft mat. So these are these are glass craft mats. It's a true white color. There's no distortion on the color, and it's also magnetic, which is one of the things that makes it unique. Now, not all magnets will stick to it, but it does come with 3 magnets, and they're rare earth magnets, and they will hold your paper down while you're stamping or inking or what have you. I'm kind of excited. I'm going to look to see if they have any square ones so that I can use the mat to square up my miniatures when I'm doing work. But the craft mat is also heat resistant, and I'll just tell you a little bit from the description and the website. Again, it's glassboardstudio.com. It's a glass surface, and they are perfect for crafting in mixed media. Heat resistant, do not stain, true white, so you can see the color of your inks and paints and other mediums when you can put them directly onto the surface. And the metal backing, so the back of it is all metal. It creates a magnetic surface, so rare earth magnets can hold paper, cardstock, stencils, fabric, and more. So there is a 1-inch grid with 1/4-inch increments and 1/8-inch tick marks in it. And also, you can't see the corner here because I have my lights out. I'm going to go ahead and zoom you out a little bit so you can see it. There are 30, 60, and 90 degree, no, I lied. It's 30, 45, and 60 degree angles coming from the lower left hand corner, your 0 point. So head on over to glassboardstudio.com. check out all their different products. They have white, they have black, they have different sizes, and use POSH20 for 20% off your awesome glass craft mat. And this did come in the mail, and it came quickly, and yeah, there was no damage at all. It is heavy, so beware, but you won't have to move it because you can wipe it off just as it is. So head on over there. We'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.